Introduce features interest for Stanley SHP1600-BNDBRS, includes SHP 1600 electric pressure washer, with fixed cleaning brush and adapters. 1600 psi, 1.3 GPM. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The SHP1600-BNDBRS is the best bundle to tackle any tough dirt and grime. This bundle includes the fixed cleaning brush, along with a transfer adapter. This brush provides consistent water flow while cleaning any tough cleaning surface. This bundle features our Stanley 1600 psi pressure washer, which is the most portable electric pressure washer we make. Cleaning power comes from a universal motor and triaxial pressure washer pump delivering 1600 psi of adjustable cleaning power. Use the included pressure washer gun, pressure washer hose and pressure washer wand to quickly blast away dirt, mold and grime to reveal a fresh clean look. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.